Are you ready to unlock the potential of online education and transform your expertise into a thriving business? If so, I want you to say hello to From 0 to 20 Students, How to Get Your Online Course Business Set Up, a completely free and comprehensive guide on creating and scaling your own online course business. In this 90-minute course, you'll learn everything from finding your perfect niche to crafting engaging content and building a loyal student base. Plus, we'll show you how to attract your first 20 students and scale your course for even greater success. Our step-by-step modules are designed to guide you through every aspect of creating a successful online course business. We've designed this course to make sure you can take it in one sitting and walk away with everything that you need to get started working on your new online venture. Whether you're a seasoned professional or whether you're just simply starting out, you'll find everything you need to succeed. Enroll today and unlock a world of freedom and opportunity by running your own online course business.